Hi, my name is Jatumongkol Chu Sankit. I'm a first year engineering student majoring in nano engineering. Today I'm gonna make a comparison between two similar products, which are a toaster and a toaster oven. The toaster is capable of toasting breads as well as the toaster oven. However, the toaster oven can do just more than toasting breads. It can also cook, reheat, defrost, bakes, and broils foods. So let's have a look at the toaster first. The toaster consists of many components. The major components are the case. This circular knob is the temperature controller. These three buttons are the functional buttons. This is the lever. Here we have the toasting slots. For the interior parts of the toasters, there are thermostats, terminal boards, and heating elements, which are commonly made of nickel. Let's talk about how it's made and assembled. First, for the toaster case, the case is generally made of the molded plastic. Plastic pellets are fed into a hopper and heated up to over 150 degrees Celsius to form semi-fluid. Then it's poured into a mold and cooled to form a shape of the toaster case. Alternatively, the case can also be made of an aluminum, using a punch plate to quickly exert the pressure on aluminum sheets to create a hollow toaster-shaped shell. For the heating elements, mica sheets are wrapped around by the batches of nichrome wire. Then it's bolted to the toaster base. In between the mica sheets is the spring-loaded tray. This tray is manually set and screwed into place. The thermostat, which is a single bimetallic element, is connected to the support bracket, which is then mounted onto the second bracket. Then a spring is installed between these two brackets. For the terminal board, two rectangular sheet metal conductors are layered above and below the sheet of insulation. Then the terminal board is screwed or welded to the toaster rack. Finally, for the base installation, electrical cord is threaded to the toaster base, and the other parts such as the terminal board and the heating elements are also attached to the toaster base. The mechanic of the toaster is to change electricity to heat energy. When the wire is plugged into a electricity supply and the lever is pulled down, the process of the toaster will begin. The electricity will flow through a series of heating elements. The heating elements heat up and toast the bread. The elements are very thin that they go red hot when the electricity flows through them. The thermostat acts like the timer. It will heat up as bread cooks, and the metal will expand. So the thermostat will gradually bend into a curve. When the right temperature is reached, it will bend just enough to snap open and switch off the heating elements. Comparing with toaster, the toaster oven has the similar components. It also has temperature controller, the thermostats, terminal boards, and heating elements that are welded at the top and the bottom of the oven. However, the toaster oven also have additional components, which are the tray and the broil racks, which are both made of the metals. Some version of the toaster oven also includes a fan screwed inside the oven. The fan helps in circulating the air inside the toaster oven to make food gets cooked more evenly. The major differences between the toaster and the toaster oven are about size, temperature, and speed. Obviously, the toaster oven is larger than the toaster. This turns out in more food space for the toaster oven. In terms of temperature, the toaster oven can reach more precise and different temperature than the toaster can. This ability, on the other hand, results in more slower cooking time for the toaster oven. Finally, we're gonna consider about the electrical efficiency. The toaster generally use 800 up to 1500 watts, averaging approximately at 1200 watts, just as the majority of the toaster oven does. Thank you.